Welcome to Windows Fixer. If you're dealing with the error, the referenced account is currently locked out. This happens when multiple failed login attempts trigger Windows security lockout. You can easily resolve it with methods that I'm going to share in this video, but make sure to follow the steps carefully. Also, let's make this clear. This method is possible when you remember your computer password, but mistakenly just lock your account. I have already covered a topic where I explained about if you forget your password, then how you can recover it in detail. Link is mentioned in the description. Go ahead and watch that if you want to recover your account. Safe mode method. First method, we will try safe mode. I'm not sure if this works for me or not because Windows often updates their policies and might work for older OS versions, but not for the latest. So just starting from this, if this works for you, you can apply it. Let's see if it's still working in 2025 or not. Try logging in through safe mode first. Hold down the Shift key while clicking Restart. When your PC reboots, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, and then Restart. Once it starts up again, try logging in via safe mode. If the lockout period still appears even in the safe mode, then we need to cover this in a different way. Registry method, Advanced. This method involves editing the Windows registry, which can be risky if done incorrectly, so follow the steps carefully. Okay, now again, hold Shift, then click on Restart to boot again to Advanced System Settings. Once you are here, go into the Troubleshooting, then Advanced Options, and look for Command Prompt and click on it. This will restart your PC quickly and then ask you for choosing your current account, then use the correct password. Don't worry, your lock will not block this menu and you can use your password here. After using the password, this will open CMD for you. Type regedit and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. Click on HKE Local Machine, then go to File, then Load Hive. Navigate to the C drive, then open the Windows folder, then System32, then Config, and look for a file named SAM. Select it, assign a temporary name like Windows Fixer, and click OK. Expand Windows Fixer, then SAM, then Domains, then Account, then Users, and then open 0000001F4. Double-click the F value, locate the first hexadecimal entry, 11 under 00000038, and change it to 10. Restart your PC and log in with the newly activated administrator account. Preventing future lockouts. To stop this from happening again, press Windows, type gpedit.msc, and press Enter. Go to Computer Configuration, then Windows Settings, then Security Settings, then Account Policies, and then select Account Lockout Policy. Double-click Account Lockout Threshold, set the value to 0, and confirm with Apply and OK. Keep in mind that disabling this feature removes security protections against brute force attacks, so only do this if you're sure. And that's it. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section and we will cover it ASAP. Till then, take care of yourself. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the Windows Fixer YouTube channel.